Hello to all of my curly coilies out there. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you like this type of content. And for those that have been rocking with me since day one, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my curly hair, natural hair tips for a successful curly hair wash day. These are my own personal tips and things that I do for my wash day, so what works for me may not work for you, so just want to put that disclaimer out there. If you would like to use any of these tips, definitely feel free. So I have several steps, so I want to kind of get through this as quickly as I can. So the very first step that I do to have a successful curly hair wash day is plan. Planning is very important when you're dealing and working with natural curly hair. You have to make time because that can be a whole day's task when you are dealing with natural hair. I have to make sure that I set aside enough time in the day to accomplish everything that I need to do with my natural hair, from prepping my hair to styling my hair. And to do all of that, the second step, I have to be prepared. So whatever I plan on doing with my hair that day, I want to make sure that I have everything that I need to have a successful wash day. That includes all hair treatments, styling tools, shampoos, conditioners, hair oils, and stylers. So once I've saved that time in the day to do my hair and I have all of my tools, everything I need gathered together to start this curly hair wash day, the third thing I do is examine the condition of my hair and scalp. I check for product buildup, I check for any irritation on my scalp, I check to see if my ends are scraggly, frayed, if I have fairy knots, split ends. If so, I give my ends a nice trim or dusting. I also check to see if my hair is damaged, if there's any damage. I check to see how dry my hair is and how tangled and matted my hair may be. Examining your hair and scalp is very, very important and almost a critical step when doing your wash day routine. If your hair and your scalp is not free of product buildup and dirt and grime and dead skin, your scalp can't breathe, it's all clogged up, it makes it difficult and almost impossible to have a successful wash day. So you do want to make sure that your hair and scalp is in a great condition to have a successful wash day, one, and two, ensuring that your hair and scalp is in a great enough condition to be able to receive the products and treatments that you're applying to your hair and your scalp. So I do all of that to determine the next step of my wash day routine. But let me show you some of the products I do tend to reach for in the event I do need a good scalp or hair treatment. I definitely like to go in with a good trim using a good pair of hair shears. I got these off of Amazon. They are in my Amazon store. Very colorful, pretty, and very, very sharp. And if my hair is all matted and as dry as the Sahara Desert, I like to go in with the African Pride Moisture Miracle, Aloe and Coconut Water, Detangle and Condition Pre-shampoo. This is probably one of the top favorite natural hair pre-poo products. It's a really great product. It absorbs deeply into the hair and it immediately starts freeing your hair of all the tangles and knots and the dryness. It's an amazing pre-poo. The root to end scalp scrub treatment. This exfoliating pre-shampoo treatment helps deeply clean while giving your scalp a refreshing coolness. So step 5 is the shampoo process. There are so many different shampoos out there, but I always select the shampoo that I need specifically for that wash day for a specific purpose. If I didn't do any prior treatments to combat any product buildup on my hair, then I will use a clarifying shampoo. A clarifying shampoo versus a regular shampoo just simply means that the clarifying shampoo is formulated in a way to remove product buildup, strip product buildup from the shaft of your hair. These are two shampoos from Texture ID, and sometimes I will alternate between these two. When I do need to clarify my hair, I use the Curl Clarifying Shampoo from Texture ID. Another great clarifier that I like to use is from Organic Girl Hair Co. This is the Grow Poo Clarifying Shampoo, and it's organic, vegan, cruelty-free. But if I just want to use just a regular shampoo, my choices include from Texture ID, the Coils Detangling Shampoo. I like to use from African Pride, the Moisturizing and Detangling 2-in-1 Shampoo. This shampoo is so great. It's so amazing on my hair. Very penetrating, excellent slip, super moisturizing, and it really gets to those tangles really fast. This moisturizing shampoo that I really love is from Organic Girl Hair Co. This is the Grow Poo, and this product is great for hair growth, moisturizing your hair, cleansing and healing your hair and scalp. Shampoo tip. Since my hair is low porosity, I like to make sure my hair is saturated with warm water before I apply the shampoo. This allows my hair cuticles to open up so the shampoo or any product I'm using can be easily absorbed into my hair. When it's time to detangle my hair, I like to put my hair into manageable sections, so I can detangle each section very carefully and not have to worry about snagging and pulling out my hair. And so my detangler can get through my hair easier and quicker. curly hair wash day is the conditioning part or deep conditioning part. Most of the time spent on my wash day is concentrated around the conditioning, deep conditioning, and masking, whichever one I want to use for that day. And these are some of my favorites that I like to reach for. When I feel I need to use a hair mask as opposed to a conditioner or a deep conditioner, I like to use the one from Pattern Beauty. This is their treatment mask. It's a very hydrating product. It gives really great definition and curl elongation. It has a jelly-like consistency and texture. It offers really great slip, and its ingredients are formulated to soften and strengthen my hair at the same time. I also have the Maximum Hydration from Camille Rose. This is from their coconut water collection. This conditioner leaves my hair feeling very silky soft and well nourished. Another great deep conditioner that I've really fallen in love with is from 4C Only. This is the Too Thick Deep Conditioner. This conditioner is super thick, it's super moisturizing, and it also gives me really great slip because it does have slippery M in there, so that definitely makes applying this product effortless and leaves my hair feeling amazing. For those that don't know the difference between a hair mask and a conditioner or deep conditioner, a hair mask is formulated to strengthen your hair, and a deep conditioner is formulated to soften your hair. So depending upon the condition of your hair, you may need to strengthen it if it feels weak and brittle, but if it doesn't and you just want the moisture and the softness, then you can just use a regular deep conditioner. I like to incorporate heat in my deep conditioning. So what I like to use, one, is a plastic cap, and you can get these at Walmart. I think they're like 97 cents and you get a whole pack of them. But I always put a plastic baggie over my hair once I have the mask or conditioner in my hair. Then I put my heat cap on. I forgot where I got this heat cap from, where I ordered it from, or maybe somebody sent it to me. I don't know. I'll put it in the description somewhere or on the screen somewhere. But anyway, I pop this in the microwave for a few seconds, get it all nice and heated, and then I just put it on top of the plastic bag, on top of my hair, and I just let it sit for up to 30 minutes. So by incorporating the heat, that just allows the mask or the conditioner to really penetrate my hair, to really get a deeper conditioning or just a deeper mask treatment. And I forgot to make mention of this earlier, but I want to show you also some of the hair tools that I use when it comes to detangling my hair. This one so far is my absolute favorite brush for detangling my hair. It does not pull and snag my hair as bad as the other ones do. This one glides through my hair really nicely. Even when it's at its most tangled, it really gets through the tangles, it gets through the knots, it gets through the mats, and this one is really, really nice. And then I just have my regular wide tooth comb. I use this one sometimes if my hair is not too dry and I just need to do a light detangle. I'll use my wide tooth comb. This one actually really is more to smooth my hair out or to smooth a product throughout my hair, whether it be a styler or a conditioner. Mostly it's going to be like a conditioner or deep conditioner. I have a nice two-headed brush. One is a firmer side and the other is a softer side. My clips are gator clips if I need to section my hair off or move hair out of the way. And a nice edge brush for getting those baby hairs. Once I have the hair mask or conditioner washed out of my hair, I like to go in with a nice oil. From hairgrowthco.com, the 10-in-1 hair growth oil. It has shea butter powder, peppermint oil, rosemary, castor, lavender, avocado, coconut, vitamin E, macadamia oil, grapeseed, and argan oil. From Donna's Recipe by Tabitha Brown, the Strength Hair Oil. The additional ingredients that this one has compared to the other oil is tea tree oil, safflower oil, flaxseed oil, Greenridge extract, Thymus vulgaris oil, and aloe vera seed oil. The next step that I do, which is optional for my curly hair wash day, is to use a leave-in. Leave-ins are really not my thing. Unless I'm doing a wash and go and I need some type of a protective barrier, I'll use a leave-in. But if it's not a wash and go, I really don't use leave-ins like that, so that's why I say it's optional. If I do use a leave-in, these are the ones I normally tend to reach for. From Camille Rose Coconut Water Collection, I may use the leave-in detangling hair treatment. This is a concentrated leave-in treatment for shiny, silky, soft hair. For 4C Only, the Too Soft Leave-In Conditioner. And from Organic Girl Hair Co., the Vegan Grogurt. This is a whipped leave-in conditioning cream. It's great for growing your hair, conditioning, nourishing, and moisturizing your hair. The last step in my curly hair wash day routine is choosing the right styler for my hair based upon what style I want to do to my hair. I have more stylers than any other hair products on my shelf. I like lots of variety when it comes to my stylers, so a few of my favorites include from Natural, the Hydrating Custard, the Curling Custard from Organic Girl Hair Co., Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard, Curlsmith Bouncy Strength Volume Foam, Girl and Hair Curl Cloud, ouidad Advanced Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel, Melba's Lemon Meringue Curl Friendly Wet Jelly, and an edge gel that I really like is from African Prod's Moisture Miracle, the Maximum Hold Edge Styling Wax from the Aloe and Coconut Water line. Styling tip. To better smooth the styler throughout my hair, although my hair is wet, I like to also wet my brush. Wetting my brush makes a big difference in how well the brush runs through my hair. There's no tension or pulling, so the brush just glides through my hair. So that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoy watching my step-by-step curly hair wash day routine, and I hope that some of the tips that I gave were very helpful. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell, and definitely check out my Amazon store for more items that you may have seen in this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!